The lone wolf is the most dangerous of all. He has no pack to restrain him. Standing with the crowd is easy. It takes courage to stand alone. Moving forward alone and going against normality may seem scary, but it is necessary. You will never grow until you find strength in doing what others fear to do. You must not view obstacles as a problem, but as a lesson. This will ensure you always learn and gather knowledge on your journey through life. The lone wolf learns that they can always rely on themselves. This mentality will allow you to be unstoppable and intrinsically motivated. The wolf on the hill is never as hungry as the wolf climbing the hill. For lone wolves, both the destination and the end goal is important. Never lose sight of what you want. This will give you the drive and determination to achieve your goals. Everyone has scars. Scars are just a treasure map for the pain you've buried too deep to remember. People with lone wolf characteristics are not afraid of showing their scars. Instead, they are proud of them. They wear them like a badge of honor to show everyone how hard they have worked to be where they are now. Self-awareness is crucial when in a relationship. You need to learn to love yourself before you can love anybody else. A wolf doesn't concern himself with the opinions of sheep. It is far better to walk alone and in the right direction, rather than to follow others walking in the wrong direction. Lone wolves are able to move forward in the direction they know is right for them. The hardest walk you can make is the walk you make alone, but that is the walk that makes you the strongest.